Hello viewers, Flipkart Early Bird Deals is live on flipkart.com. There are discounts on various products like smartphones, fashion products, skincare products, earbuds as well as on tablets. There is offer on Poco Pad 5G Wi-Fi plus 5G variant. For the 128GB the price is showing 21,000 rupees, and with credit card you will get 1,500 discount, so the effective price will be around 19,500 rupees. Though this pricing is not good enough, yet you can buy this tablet if you have urgency. There is offer on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. This is a newly launched tablet. The current pricing of this tablet is 25,499 rupees, and with credit card you can get discounts and the effective price will be 22,474 rupees. This is a mid-range tablet with mediocre processor, and also battery is not so good. So I will not recommend you to buy this tablet right now. The best price for this tablet will be around 15 to 17,000 rupees. Also, there is no discount on iPad 11th generation. Maybe in the main sale that will occur on 5th of December, you can see some deals on iPad 11th generation. Some of the users want to know the best price of this tablet without credit card. If you are buying iPad 11th generation without credit card, in that case the best price would be around 30,000 rupees, and with credit card the best price would be around 27 to 28,000 rupees. Another popular tablet, that is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, but sadly in this tablet also there is no offer. If you want to buy this tablet right now, you have to pay the price of around 35,000 rupees. That is not the best price of this tablet. The best price for Tab S9 AP Plus is 23 to 25,000 rupees maximum. After that, many people are asking me about the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 on flipkart.com, but sadly Flipkart will not offer any discount on this tablet. You will get discounts on this tablet from Amazon.in, but you have to wait for the right offers. The best price for this tablet is 33,000 rupees for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant. If you are planning to buy iPad Air M3, in that case Amazon.in will be the best site to buy this tablet. But right now it is priced at 53,000 rupees after discount, whereas the best price for this iPad M3 is around 42 to 43,000 rupees maximum. So finally, in the conclusion, I would recommend you not to buy any tablet right now in this early bird sale. Wait for the main sale, that is Bye 2025 sale. Though I don't think that there will be much discounts, but there is a possibility of getting discounts on tablets, so wait for that sale. I will let you know about the best deals on tablets, so let me know in the comment section below which tablet you are planning to buy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.